When we talk about feeding our gut microbiome, the conversation often revolves around trendy supplements or complex prebiotics. But sometimes, the most powerful fuel for our gut bacteria is found in the humblest of pantry staples. Enter the navy bean, a small, white, oval-shaped legume that packs a monumental punch when it comes to dietary fiber. If you are committed to the 30-a-week plant rule, or simply looking to build a bulletproof gut, understanding the specific fiber profile of navy beans is essential. The sheer volume of fiber in navy beans is staggering. According to the USDA, a single cup of cooked navy beans delivers approximately 19.1 grams of total dietary fiber. The recommended daily intake of fiber for adults is generally 25 to 30 grams. Thus, 1 cup of navy beans provides nearly 70% of your daily fiber. But total fiber is only part of the story. For the microbes residing in our large intestine, the type of fiber is what truly dictates the physiological benefits. Fiber isn't a monolith. It broadly falls into two categories, and navy beans offer a highly beneficial ratio of both. In a typical half-cup serving, providing about 9.5 grams of total fiber, the insoluble fiber is approximately 6 grams, and the soluble fiber is about 3.5 grams. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water. It remains largely intact as it travels through your digestive system, providing bulk to your stool. This is crucial for maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance in the digestive tract. This slows digestion, which can help regulate blood sugar spikes and lower cholesterol. More importantly, for gut health enthusiasts, soluble fiber is highly fermentable. When this fiber reaches the large intestine, your beneficial gut bacteria, the MicrobeMasters of your body, ferment it. This fermentation process produces short-chain fatty acids such as butyrate, propionate, and acetate. Butyrate, in particular, is the primary energy source for the cells lining the colon. It helps maintain the integrity of the gut barrier, reduces inflammation, and creates an environment where beneficial bacterial strains can thrive. Now, let's explore the health benefits of navy beans. The 30-a-week rule isn't just about counting different plants. It's about introducing a diverse range of fibers to feed a diverse ecosystem of microbes. While the microbial fermentation of soluble fiber is the main event for our large intestine, the downstream effects of eating navy beans ripple throughout the entire body. The unique matrix of complex carbohydrates, plant-based protein, and micronutrients provides several major physiological benefits. Number 1. Navy beans support gastrointestinal motility and maintain optimal digestive mechanics. Number 2. Nourish beneficial gut flora by delivering prebiotic soluble fibers. Number 3. Protect the intestinal barrier and prevent leaky gut. Number 4. Stabilize blood glucose levels by slowing breakdown and preventing metabolic spikes. Number 5. Reduce systemic inflammation. Number 6. Soluble fibers bind to bile acids and lower serum cholesterol levels. Number 7. Navy beans are an excellent source of essential minerals like phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and iron, playing a crucial role in maintaining bone density and skeletal strength. Number 8. The rich concentration of B vitamins like folate and thiamine is instrumental in supporting cognitive function and the synthesis of vital neurotransmitters. Number 9. Provides plant-based protein and concentrated amino acids essential for tissue repair. Number 10. The synergistic combination of fibers and protein delays gastric emptying, effectively promoting satiety and helping to maintain a healthy weight. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the MicrobeMasters channel for more insights into the microbial world.